Hey everyone! In this video, we will explore the application methods and enhancement techniques for biopesticides, emphasizing their critical role in sustainable agriculture. We will also review impactful case studies showcasing their effectiveness and discuss challenges and future directions in the field. But first, let's refresh our memory about what biopesticides are, their various types, advantages over chemical pesticides, and their vital role within sustainable agricultural practices, which is foundational to appreciating their application. Now, we are going to make clear overview of biopesticides, highlighting their natural origin and various types. Biopesticides are derived from microorganisms, plants, or minerals, offering an eco-friendly alternative to chemical pesticides. Microbial pesticides utilize specific microorganisms to target pests precisely, minimizing harm to other organisms. Biochemical pesticides work by interfering with pest behaviors such as mating or growth, ensuring plants remain unharmed. Additionally, plant-incorporated protectants involve genetically engineered plants that produce substances to resist pests internally, reducing the need for external pesticide application. Understanding these categories helps appreciate the diverse strategies available for sustainable pest management. Biopesticides are natural pest control agents derived from microorganisms, plants, or minerals. They include microbial pesticides, biochemical pesticides, and plant-incorporated protectants, each with specific modes of action. Let's highlight the key benefits of biopesticides compared to traditional chemical pesticides. Biopesticides are much safer due to their lower toxicity, which reduces risks to human health and non-target species. They also contribute to environmental protection by minimizing pollution and helping maintain ecosystem balance. Another important advantage is that biopesticides leave fewer harmful residues on crops, making the food safer for consumers. Additionally, they offer targeted pest control, which means they specifically affect harmful pests while preserving beneficial insects and overall biodiversity. These factors make biopesticides a more sustainable and eco-friendly choice for pest management in agriculture. Now, what is the critical role biopesticides play in promoting sustainable agriculture? By reducing reliance on harmful chemical inputs, biopesticides help maintain healthier ecosystems and minimize environmental damage. They also protect beneficial insects and soil organisms, which are vital for maintaining ecological balance and soil health. This approach supports farming systems that are not only productive, but also sustainable over the long term, ensuring food security while preserving natural resources. Understanding what biopesticides are, their various types, advantages over chemical pesticides, and their vital role within sustainable agricultural practices is foundational to appreciating their application. Foliar sprays involve applying biopesticides directly onto the leaves, targeting pests where they are most active. Timing is critical. Applying sprays at the right stage of pest development and under suitable weather conditions enhances effectiveness and ensures the treatment lasts longer on the foliage. Additionally, the size of the spray droplets and ensuring full coverage of the leaf surface are key factors. Proper droplet size helps the spray adhere better and penetrate where needed, while thorough coverage maximizes pest contact and control. These operational guidelines help optimize the use of foliar sprays for better pest management outcomes. Here, we highlight two important methods for applying biopesticides to protect crops effectively. Soil application focuses on delivering biopesticides directly to the root zone, which is critical because many pests attack plants at their roots early on. By targeting this area, we can prevent damage before it spreads. Seed coating is another innovative technique where seeds are treated with biopesticides before planting. This provides protection to seedlings during their most vulnerable early growth stages, helping to reduce pest and disease impact right from the start. Both methods aim to enhance plant health and improve crop yields by integrating pest management at foundational growth phases. Let's focus on the use of pheromone traps and attractant baits as pest management tools. Pheromone traps utilize synthetic chemicals that mimic natural insect pheromones to attract male pests, primarily serving as a monitoring method to detect pest presence and prevent reproduction. Attractant baits combine food or chemical lures with toxicants to specifically target and kill pests, offering a precise control strategy. Additionally, mating disruption techniques release large amounts of pheromones into the environment to confuse male insects, making it difficult for them to locate females and thus reducing pest populations over time. These methods are environmentally friendly alternatives to broad-spectrum insecticides, helping to manage pests effectively while minimizing harm to beneficial insects and the ecosystem. Let's compare two aerial application methods used in agriculture: drone application and aircraft application. Drones offer precision through GPS guidance, allowing targeted treatment of specific areas, which is especially useful for difficult terrain like steep slopes. They also improve efficiency by covering large areas quickly and enhance safety by minimizing human exposure to biopesticides. On the other hand, aircraft application excels in speed and coverage, making it the best choice for treating very large fields or entire regions rapidly. It ensures uniform distribution of treatments, particularly liquid formulations, and is highly effective for managing widespread pest outbreaks that demand quick, broad-scale intervention. Understanding these differences helps in selecting the appropriate method based on the scale, terrain, and urgency of the application needed. Now, we are going to highlight the advantages of using atmospheric release for applying beneficial fungi spores. The method ensures a uniform fog that evenly covers plants and soil, which is crucial for consistent treatment. It's especially effective in controlled environments like greenhouses, where conditions such as humidity and temperature can be optimized to activate the fungi. By establishing a protective barrier on the plants, this approach helps prevent common diseases like powdery mildew and botrytis by outcompeting harmful pathogens. This proactive protection supports healthier crops and reduces the need for chemical treatments. We are going to highlight the key components of integrated pest management, IPM systems, focusing on three main control strategies. Cultural controls involve agricultural practices such as crop rotation and using pest-resistant plant varieties, which help prevent pest outbreaks but may need additional measures when insufficient. Mechanical controls include physical methods like traps to capture pests that evade initial removal efforts. Biological controls emphasize the use of natural predators and beneficial insects to maintain ecological balance, reducing reliance on chemical pesticides. Together, these strategies form a comprehensive approach to pest management that is environmentally sustainable and effective over the long term. Effective use of biopesticides requires following proper protocols regarding preparation, timing, frequency, and safety to maximize efficacy and minimize risks. Now, we are going to review the critical role of personal protective equipment, or PPE, in ensuring safety during the handling and application of biopesticides. Even though these substances may have low toxicity, Direct contact can still cause skin irritation, so gloves are essential. Masks are important to prevent inhaling spores, dust, or mist, which can irritate the respiratory system. Goggles protect the eyes from splashes or airborne particles, especially during mixing and application processes. Wearing long-sleeved shirts and pants acts as a physical barrier, reducing skin exposure and enhancing overall protection. Emphasizing proper equipment and protocols helps maintain safety and effectiveness in biopesticide use. Here, we highlight three main types of sprayers and applicators used in agriculture. Backpack sprayers are portable and perfect for small to medium-sized areas where precision is key, such as targeted pest control or spot treatments. Boom sprayers are designed for large-scale operations, efficiently covering extensive fields with uniform application, making them ideal for broad-acre farming. Aerosol devices produce a fine mist, which is especially useful for applying biopesticides in controlled environments like greenhouses, ensuring even distribution and minimizing waste. Understanding the appropriate sprayer type helps optimize crop protection and resource use. Calibration is critical to ensure that equipment applies the correct dosage and achieves proper coverage, which directly impacts effectiveness and safety. Regular maintenance plays a vital role in preventing equipment breakdowns and contamination, helping maintain consistent performance and reliability over time. Together, these procedures support operational efficiency and product quality, reducing downtime and costly repairs. When biopesticides are applied correctly, they deliver consistent pest control, reduce waste, and maintain the health of beneficial organisms. Following recommended protocols ensures safety for workers and the environment. The importance of timing and frequency when applying biopesticides is widely admitted. Targeting the optimal pest life stages is crucial because it maximizes the biopesticide's effectiveness and helps protect crops from damage. Additionally, applying treatments during favorable environmental conditions, such as appropriate temperature and humidity, enhances the biopesticide's performance and reduces unnecessary waste. It's also essential to balance how often applications are made. Too frequent use can lead to pest resistance and environmental harm, while too infrequent may not control pests adequately. By carefully managing these factors, we can achieve effective pest control while promoting sustainability and minimizing negative impacts. Despite their promise, biopesticides face adoption barriers, regulatory hurdles, and quality control issues. Innovations and education are key to advancing their future use. Nowadays, the successful use of Bacillus thuringiensis, or BT, as a biological pest control agent in vegetable crops has been accepted as the most common application. BT targets lepidopteran pests, which are common and damaging to many vegetables, providing a natural and environmentally friendly alternative to chemical pesticides. By reducing reliance on harmful chemicals, BT helps promote sustainable farming practices and minimizes negative impacts on the ecosystem. Additionally, effective pest control with BT contributes to healthier plants, which in turn leads to improved crop yields and better quality produce. This approach supports both agricultural productivity and environmental stewardship, making it a valuable tool for modern vegetable farming. Trichoderma species serve as biocontrol agents against fungal pathogens in fruit crops, enhancing plant health and minimizing fungicide applications. Let's highlight the significant benefits of adopting biopesticides in rice cultivation. Field trials have shown a clear reduction in the use of chemical pesticides, which is a positive step toward sustainable farming. By replacing harmful chemicals with biopesticides, we not only protect the environment by minimizing toxic residues in soil and water, but also support healthier ecosystems. Economically, farmers benefit from reduced input costs while maintaining or even improving crop yields, making biopesticides a cost-effective and environmentally responsible choice. This approach aligns with broader goals of sustainable agriculture and long-term productivity. In Brazil, soybean farmers have made significant progress by integrating foliar and seed treatment biopesticides to combat fungal diseases. This approach not only helps in managing pests more effectively, but also reduces reliance on traditional chemical fungicides. By using the right application equipment and adopting integrated pest management (IPM) strategies, these farmers have achieved better crop protection while promoting sustainability. This case highlights how combining innovative biopesticide solutions with best practices can lead to improved yields and environmental benefits, setting a strong example for sustainable agriculture in the region. Let's highlight a successful case study from Europe, where wheat farmers have adopted innovative biopesticide treatments to combat fungal diseases. By integrating both foliar and seed treatment biopesticides, these farmers have effectively reduced their reliance on traditional chemical fungicides. The use of precision application equipment ensures that treatments are targeted and efficient, minimizing environmental impact. Additionally, the adoption of integrated pest management strategies supports sustainable farming practices, leading to improved crop yields. This example demonstrates how combining modern technology with eco-friendly solutions can enhance agricultural productivity while promoting sustainability. Biopesticides represent a sustainable and effective approach to pest management when applied using proper methods and enhanced techniques. Continued research, education, and innovation will drive their expanded adoption and impact.